Good with the time out? A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anish, and tonight I represent the team Accelerator. Show up your hands. How many of you eat meat here? Do you realize by eating meat we are destroying the planet? Oh, let me tell you why. The problem that we are facing today is global warming, and the key contributor of that is greenhouse emission gases. Over 42 gigatons of greenhouse gases are from human-induced activities, in which one controllable area is livestock industry, which adds 16% to the total. In fact, can you imagine a single cow emits more greenhouse gases than a Ferrari does? And I'm sure the number of cows are even beyond the Ferraris today, right? To make things even worse, over 25% of world's land are used for grazing purpose alone. To give you the number, over 130 million acres are cleared just for this livestock feeding, which leads to deforestation, degraded lands, and soil erosion. So what is this solution? Eat more veggies? Or fewer nodding. So should we reduce our meat consumption? Impossible, right? What if we can still enjoy eating meat without destroying the planet? How about clean meat? Maybe clean meats are meat grown in laboratories. But wait, it's not commercial yet for us to go to supermarkets like FairPrice and grab it, right? Certainly, many clean meat companies faces this issue of slow cell growth. And that is where we, the team Accelerator, enters into the picture, making cells grow faster. Our patented technology is a customizable inorganic coating material over the culture ware which they currently use today, which is a nanotechnology. The material is nanometric thin, which is also cost effective. Why cost effective? The material we use is usually metal oxides. That makes us unique. Which also enhances the cell growth by 2 times than the other coating materials. If you can see the animation here, this is our coated material and that is the others. You can clearly see the difference. Also, we are non-intrusive, which means we doesn't change the cell's property, meat property. Finally, we can be customizable to any cell types, like any meat types or any culture ware such as flask or mass production in terms of bioreactors. In terms of, if you look at the beachhead market, over 25 clean meat companies have been started in the last 6 years, and over $300 million has been invested here. Closer to home, our Singapore government has invested 144 million in food R&D, which includes clean meat as well. Promising, right? Wait. On the right, key players like Richard Branson, Bill Gates has sensed potential in this market and invested a huge amount in clean meat. Fundamentally, you all get it right. Our technology is accelerating the cell growth, which means our technology can be translatable to other cell culture markets such as drug testing and so on, which has huge market potential and a promising CAGR rate. Like us, some other companies find it interesting and they are working on. But you can clearly see that our technology stands top on among all of them because we achieved higher cell growth with a much lower cost because of this inorganic coating that we use. In the process of validating our assumptions, we have conducted over 55 interviews with field experts in clean meat market, manufacturing companies, researchers, including Shiok Meat. So this Shiok Meat is a Singapore-based local clean meat company. We have already partnered with this company. We are in process of producing prawn cells faster. Secondly, another Netherlands company called Mosa Meat has shown interest to test our technology in their laboratory back in Netherlands. Thirdly, a manufacturing company called Thermo Fisher, who's the market leader on cell culture solutions, wants to felt that our technology improves their current product portfolio. In terms of business model, we have two revenue streams. Starting to co-develop with clean meat companies and research agencies like A-Star, who's currently working on. And moving on, we are planning to license our technology to manufacturing companies like Thermo Fisher, Corning market leaders, to enter into other cell culture markets. If you look at the 5-year strategic plan, as I mentioned, this year we have already partnered with Shiok Meat in working on the mass production of prawn cells, because the company is working only in the seafood prawn cells. Moving on, we are planning to associate with this company called Mosa Meat, which I mentioned earlier, because they are willing to test our technology with their current product design. And also other promising US clean meat companies. In the year 3, we are planning to expand to other cell culture markets, like discussed before, through partnership with mass production manufacturing companies. And in subsequent years, we are expanding to other customer base through the continuous R&D which happens here. We require $760,000 to improve the team and R&D base we have. With the help of $760,000, we are expecting a $6 million of profit at the end of year 5, and our break-even point is year 3, which is 2021. Our project expects IRR rate of 145%. We already expect 400,000 from grants. Right now, we need 360,000 to execute or to achieve our mission. Proud enough to introduce my team, starting with the inventor, Mr. Vignesh standing there, and with the strong mentorship support of Prof. Venki, with a very dynamic team, starting from Elena, who's doing risk management, has a diverse skill set from risk management, business analytics, IP, product development, and so on, to support the mission of the companies. In conclusion, we invite you all to join the mission to revolutionize the meat market by improving the current clean meat company in order to ensure that our future generation faces the same delight without destroying the planet. Thank you so much.
Questions?